So it is a lovely crisp autumn evening in London on a Saturday night, and I have just dropped a load of teenagers off to see a Bond film in a Defender. So I turn right and there is oncoming traffic in a one-way street, and so I stop and let them past, as you do. Sadly, the person behind me is of the must get in front type and is frustrated that I didn't push my way with my Defender further down the road into little gaps, making everything slower, and so tries to go first and gets forced to reverse right into my rear tyre. Now, fortunately, the Defender is quite a big vehicle, and so instead of damaging my car, they just hit the tyre, which I hope hasn't done anything. But you can see the Defender move. It's registered on the accelerometer of the dashcam to lock this video. And do they stop? No. They just carry on, forcing their way down the road to try and get in front of everybody they can. Now, I reported this to the police and they are not going to prosecute, which I get, in that the person didn't stop to give me their names and details, and nobody was injured. However, if you look at this part again, this chap was about to cross the road, and I obviously stopped. But this person flying in behind me could have endangered their life. They didn't, so all is well. I don't seem to have any damage to my Defender, but honestly, the must get in front mentality is just ridiculous.